do? It's me. I'm back again to show y'all how to get your edges laid. This is for the girlies. Like, people be like doing baby hair, blah, blah, blah. This is for the girls that got time for little swoopies and all that stuff. Just a little simple. And you're done. So, if you want to know how to get your edges popping, then just continue to watch. Okay? So y'all see how my hair look? Woof, chap. It's looking kind of messy. You know, edges is not ton. Like, those are like these old edges from the morning. Hair all wild and whoop, whoop, whoop. So, the edge control I use, this is the only one that don't flick up for me, so I have no choice but to use this. It is kind of oily. That's the only thing that really blows me about it, but it's super good. And it only costs $5.49 plus tax, blah, 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 blah. So, you're going to need some edge control. You're going to need a red tail comb. You're probably not going to use a toothbrush or edge brush. Up to you, brush, ponytail holder, just to really get into the style. So, okay. First thing I do, I like to figure out what hairstyle I'm doing. So, I'm going to do a high bun. So, get my hair ready for a high bun. So, I got my little scrunchie or whatever. So, first, I start off by just brushing my hair out. Just like so. Just get all them B2B straight. Little curls, try to get them, you know, straight. So, I like to start on one side, which is going to be this side. And I got a mirror right here. Just to, you know, help a brother out. So, girl, what you doing? So, I'm going to show y'all how to do it. I just take just a little bits, probably that much, and I just put it on one side of my hair. So y'all see that it look kind of crazy. Then you want to take like a red tail comb, and all you have to do is pull it down and swoop back, pull it down. Y'all, oof, girl, y'all see it, and y'all see it. So yeah. So you want to like probably try to perfect it. Me, like, I really don't care. As long as some bad boys look decent, I'm not tripping. So I'm gonna show y'all, try to get like a good look real quick. Oh, that girl, that look don't look cute right now. Hold on. So you just wanna, baby girl. So you just wanna basically like try to get it as smooth as possible. As y'all see me do it, smooth and smooth. You might have to do it just a couple times just to get it right. Like me, that is perfectly fine with me. That looks pretty good. So y'all see it, y'all see it, y'all see it. And you just want to repeat on the other side. Super, super, super duper easy. I don't know if y'all want like an in-depth. I'm going to try to do it in the camera. Whew, okay. So like I said, you just want to pull it down. Go like that.
Which I don't really do much with the front either. I guess when the brush come in, if you want to try to do the front. Because I don't really, I got you. So after you do that, you want to go on with your hairstyle. Like I said, I'm doing a high bun. So don't brush your edges, just brush the part that you need to smooth out. Like I see me doing. And for the high bun, I'm just going to grab it. Y'all see them little hairs just want to just fly out. Put some more edge control on the bad boys. Hit this brush. Bam, 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 bam. Just smooth it up. And then just put it into a ponytail. I mean bun, whatever you try to do. Yes, I still do fan buns. Oh girl, we're gonna have to pull it out because it's looking kind of stupid. But y'all get the memo. So then I have to go back in, you know, fix anything that I feel like needs to be fixed. I feel like I'm good. Perfect.
Baby girl, sweetheart, put it down. Okay, so my hair wanted to not cooperate, which is, you know, it's expected. So I'm not gonna trip, but I feel like it looks decent. And I'm gonna just do some, fix these baby hairs in the front. That's it, you guys. And that is it. Yeah, that's really it. It's nothing much more to it. Hold on, because I had to glue that. That just looked good. So that's really much it. This is how the finished product. Baby girl. See, that's what I'm talking about. Like, it be oily sometimes. That's how the finished product look. This is how I look. If you enjoyed, could you please... No, I'm playing. I'm just like... like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me, you know, go on that social media, all that extra stuff, and just let me know if you like the video. Thank you so much. Bye, y'all.